morning. Yeah, this is that steak and the little other piece that I had left over. So this morning I am going to fix a little bit of steak. Oh, and I pulled some green chilies out of the freezer. I looked yesterday and all they had was hot that they had cooked up at Lowe's. So I didn't buy any, and I thought, you know what? I think I still have one little package, and I did. So I thawed that out, and I'm glad I put it in a bowl because that'd have been a mess in my refrigerator. I am gonna have a little cheese inside my chili relleno, or I'm gonna make a chili relleno just like that. Fold that over, put that in the pan. I'm gonna put an egg in the pan, and then the steak, and that's my breakfast this morning. Yeah, now that looks wonderful. Chili relleno, steak, and eggs. That's a breakfast. I just need some refried beans, but not today. There it is. Let's just slide it on the pan. Onto the plate. Ooh. Need a little bit of turmeric and pepper. A little bit of salt. And I just cooked all this in butter. A little bit of salt. All right, let's eat. I'm going to eat inside this morning because I need to start on a video. Ooh, let's try that. Oh, that's so good. Great flavor. That chili relleno, or chili. Hatch green chili. Hatch, New Mexico.
Me sorprendió.
I'm doing my dreaming
Entonces,
Spanish.
Shell, la pregunta 5 es ¿qué mascota tiene Agustina y cómo se llama?
I am headed to Angel Fire again today. I was invited to lunch at the Mexican food place. I am headed there now. We're eating at, oh gosh, what's the name of that new restaurant? It's not a new restaurant. They just changed their name. The food seems to be the same. They just changed their name. La Finca de Villa, I think is the name of it. I think it means the farm of the village. So we're gonna go to the farm and eat some Mexican food. La Finca de Villa. Well, I got here early, about 20 minutes early. I knew I would, but I thought, well, I'll do some Spanish and I'll, get on Facebook and all that stuff. My Verizon has been down since, it's probably been almost 45 minutes now, an hour. Yeah, I thought maybe it's me. I was fine, at the truck camper because I had Starlink. But it's still down, so now I'm sitting here not doing anything. I should always have a book. Oh, I wonder if can I get on Kindle? I guess if I've downloaded it, I don't know. I'll look and see. I should have brought my book. I'm trying to get through my book. It's just rain. It's sprinkling. It's rain. She woke up like, what is that noise? It's just rain on the roof, Sammy. It's okay. You can go back to sleep. You can go back to sleep. She says, I don't know about that. Not sure what that is in the sky. I can't really tell. I should get my binoculars. There's another one. They're having hot air balloons this weekend, so maybe it's a precursor to that. Good morning. It is 7:30 and I am off. I am doing a Walmart pickup in Taos this morning, and then I'm going to well, no, let me rephrase that. I'm going to Albertson's first, because at the Taos Walmart you can't buy any veggies or meat or anything like that. So I need to buy some chicken and some veggies, fruit and veggies. So I looked at Albertson's ad, and they have canned veggies for 79 cents. So I'm going to actually go to, well, if I have enough time, I have a list for Albertsons for the $7 pantry challenge. But while I'm there, I might as well go to Walmart and do one too. So I might do 2 this week. You won't see them until the next Friday and the next Friday. But I hate to be at a Walmart and not shop for my pantry. So I might do 2 this week, but you'll see them, you know. And plus, Albertsons has ground beef 80/20 for $2.97 a pound. So I can't beat that anywhere. So I am going to go get some hamburger meat. I need to get going because Sammy's like, can't I go? No, because I don't want you in the van while I'm in Albertsons. It'd probably be cool enough. So before I do, I've got my microphone on. That's why I needed super glue, because the little clip had come off. And so I haven't been able to use it. And so I want to try it again. If this isn't any better, that I'm going to break down and buy me a DJI microphone, because I've noticed, especially when in here with the air conditioner going, let me turn on the air conditioner. Not that I need it, because it's kind of chilly. I still got long sleeves on this morning. All right, so I'm going to see if this is any better. I'm using y'all as a test. Let me turn that off. And I've also noticed when I zoom in, I'm going to zoom in to Eagle Nest, and my volume just fades, and it's really bad. So let me zoom in. All right, so this is normal zoom. If I zoom in, is it distorting my audio, or has this corrected it? But I've noticed that when I zoomed in on those pelicans, it's like you couldn't even hear me. So anyway, all right, let's go. I'm going to stop. Let's see, do I need gas? Oh, I don't really. No, I don't. I think I filled up in Taos last time and realized it's cheaper here in Eagle Nest than Taos. So if I needed gas, I was going to fill up here. Oh, good. I moved my light. I was like, did I move my light? I did. Okay, before I go, I didn't fix breakfast, so I'm going to stop at Rocky's. They've got a good breakfast sandwich, so I'm going to stop and get me one there. I got my drinks. Get me a breakfast sandwich for the road. All right, every time I go in there, they only have 2. You got to get there early. They have 2, so I got 1. And this is a sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit for $3.22, I think is what it is. And it's on a biscuit, but it tastes like it's on a croissant. And it's so good. Look at that cheese. That's better than a McDonald's McMuffin, isn't it? How much are McMuffins now? Anybody know? I hadn't been to a McDonald's in a long time. God. I have to look that up. See how a McMuffin is. How much a McMuffin is at McDonald's. I hate that drive. I don't think I've ever said that. It's only like 21 miles from where you turn off to go to Angel Fire. From there to Taos, it's only 21 miles. I hate that drive. It is a beautiful drive. I just wish you could. The speed limit's 45, but people drive 60, and it's curvy. I mean, some of the curves are 90 degree, 25 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour, 2 lanes, little road, curvy, beautiful, beautiful drive. I want to drive it 40 and 45 and enjoy it. But no, you get people behind you and they're like on your ass. And then the next thing, and then they're passing you. Double yellow line, they're passing you on a curve. They don't care. They drive it every day. I bet they're going to work. But I hate it. I don't need anything in this town that bad to not enjoy that drive. Ugh, I bet I had 7 people, maybe. I mean, it could have been 10. And going back from Taos to Eagle Nest is not as bad because there's a lot more pull-offs on that side of the road for some reason. And I pull off. If somebody's behind me, I pull off. I'm like, it's stressful, somebody on my butt. So, but coming to Taos, there's not that many pull-offs, so you can't. And it's frustrating. You know, I'm thinking, oh, I'm an old lady now driving. It's like, no, the speed limit's 45. I hate it. Now I got to sit here and let my nerves calm down before I go in and enjoy my grocery shopping at Albertson's. Oh, it's just laughable. I just got the text from Walmart that 6 items are not available. Guess what 6? The 6 that I came for, Sammy's turkey. Well, I guess I'll buy turkey here at Albertson's. Remind me never to come here again. I know, never say never, but I don't ever want to come to this town again through this direction. Well, in this Walmart, it's just having one of those days, I guess. Oh well, it is what it is, and I'm going to enjoy my shopping at Albertson's. And I need to put that on my list, turkey, so I don't forget it. And yeah, I'm having one of those days. My microphone decided not to work. That's why I hate having extra equipment. Anyway, look, I found rice vinegar and it's on sale, $2.99. Yeah, I'll take that, so I'll make sushi. Here's that beef, 3 pounds for $8.91. Yeah, that's a good deal. It's 80/20 beef. And I saved, how much did I save? I think I'll show you here in a minute. What? Let's see. Yeah, saved $9.88. Oh, look, how cute. All right. Like this thing? I don't like it. I don't like it. This is just a wah video. So I saw in the news, everything's being recalled. Everything is because of salmonella or something. There was like 49 things on Albertson's list or whatever that jalapenos was a biggie. And then anything that they make pre-made, like pico de gallos and all that, are being pulled. And so all the deli area where the fresh made meals and the cheeses and I don't know, all those refrigerated areas was empty. I should have did a video of that. Sometimes I wonder about myself. But by that time, I think that's right where the sushi was. And the guy was making sushi. There wasn't very much there, but every bit of it was made with brown rice. I'm like, what, are you changing the sushi now? That was a weird little. Their scanners, self-checkout scanners were new, so nobody knew how to work them, including me. But I spent $7.02 on the $7 pantry challenge. 4, 5, 6. How many? I got 4 cans. Well, I'll show you, obviously, in the video on Friday. No, next Fridays, because this shopping spree is for the next one, because I've already got this week's done. This is confusing. Anyway, I got 4. Is that right? 4 cans of green beans, 2 angel hair pastas. Well, I'm not going to tell you because you got to watch the video. Anyway, I'm waiting for Walmart to text me and tell me that my order's ready there. And then I will get back on that dreadful road. That just stresses me out. That's all there is to it. When you've been in a little town for 3 months, little bitty town, there's no traffic, there's no traffic light, no nothing. Yeah, going to a big city is stressful. Well, that's the smallest Walmart order I've ever had. 2 bags. Paper towels are loose. Eggs are loose. And I did buy a big thing of canned chicken. I think it's 4 cans in a group. It's like $9 and something. But I didn't have any chicken left. And I like to keep it on hand in case Sammy gets sick. That's probably when I ran out from the other day, the last few weeks, whenever she was sick. All right, let's go. Let's get back home where it's safe. Back on this road. Well, not yet. I'll go up here and I'll turn right, and then I'll be on that road. And yes, I will be on my phone then for sure. I mean, white knuckling it